Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the online classes. And we will discuss our fourth lesson. The lesson's name is How the Firefly Got Its Light. And today we will discuss an EVS topic. It's only for your understanding that we need not study in detail.
Lesson 5 Morning Walk.
So you already learned that one, some of the parts of our body and how it helps us to do. We can see with our eyes, we can hear with our ears, we can smell with our nose, and taste with our tongue, and we can feel with our skin. So these organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, that we can call sense organs. So in this lesson there is a talk in between a grandfather and his grandson, and the grandson's name is Jay. Our grandfather returned after his morning walk and he looks so fresh and active, and he dressed in a sweatshirt, track pant and a sports shoe, and one cap is also there. And when he returned back to his home, at that time our Jay, when our grandfather reached back to his home, our Jay just woke up and he is rubbing his eyes, and he asked our grandfather, "Grandpa, how you got up early?" And our grandfather replied that morning walks keeps him fresh and active, and it also helps our heart to pump better, to pump the blood to all parts of our body.
Our Jay asked, "My heart? What is my heart, Grandpa? What does it do?" And our grandfather explained, "The heart is on the left side of your chest. It pumps blood to all the parts of your body." And after hearing this, Jay has a doubt. Again, what's that? But how does that help you stay active? And our grandfather replied to Jay, "We need food and oxygen to live. The blood carries them to the different parts of your body. It carries oxygen to the brain too." Children, do you know the brain? Where we can see our brain? So look at this picture. The brain is inside your head. It helps you to think. It controls all the other parts of your body and the way you think. If you want to do any homework like that, who will say to you? Yes, of course, our brain will say you must do the homework. So at that time only you will start to do the homework. So children, when the brain gets more oxygen through the blood, it helps the body to be active. And our grandfather continued, "The fresh morning air is good for your lungs too, Jay." Again Jay has a doubt. Lungs? Will you tell me more about the lungs, Grandpa? And our grandfather said, "Of course, Jay." Children, can you see the picture? Yes, this is a picture of our lungs. There are two lungs in your chest. The lungs help your body to use the oxygen that you breathe in through your nose. Children, it is very clear to you. We will use oxygen to breathe in. So, from where we will get this oxygen? Yes, of course, from the trees. So, the trees gives us oxygen to breathe. That's why we are telling that we should take care of the trees. Okay. And our grandfather said, "Walking in the morning helps your stomach to digest food." See children, do you see the picture of our stomach? Yes. See children, what is this picture? Yes, it is the picture of our stomach. The food that you swallow goes to your stomach. The stomach breaks down the food into simple substances. So the body uses these simple substances to get energy. So this process we can call digestion. The food we eat, it will goes to your stomach, and the stomach breaks down the food into simple substances to get energy. So this process we can call digestion. So children, you always chew your food while you are eating. And now this is the time of corona. So have a practice of eating fruits and vegetables, and you should eat a healthy food. Okay. So children, the brain, lungs, heart and stomach are known as organs. So we can find these organs inside our body. Therefore, they are called internal organs. So that we can't see from the outside. Okay. So and some other organs are there that we can see from outside, like eyes, ears, like that. But these organs we can see inside our body. That's why we can call these are internal organs. And as I told you children, they all do different kinds of work. So we should keep these organs healthy. For that, what can we do? When we exercise, more oxygen reaches all the important organs of the body. It helps them work better. So children, don't forget to do any of the exercises or at least some of the yoga asanas in day-to-day life. So now this is a period of corona. So you should do the exercises and the same time don't forget to eat healthy food.
So in this lesson, we will discuss 4 organs. What are they? Yes, brain, heart, lungs and stomach. So these organs we can see inside our body. So these organs we can commonly call internal organs. So each organ does a special job in our body. So we should keep these organs healthy. So what we want to do? When we are doing any exercises regularly, it will give more oxygen. So at that time, it also helps the organs to work better. So children, you don't forget that one. You should do one exercise each and every day in your day-to-day life. So in this lesson, finally, our Jay agreed that he will go on walking with our grandfather. So in this lesson, they were discussed 2 yogasanas. One is Tadasana and another one is Sampadasana. So children, you should practice at least yoga in your day-to-day life. Lesson we were discussed 4 internal organs. You should understand about these internal organs and how we function. So children, you must read the textbook. You should understand the matters. And we can meet in the next class, and the next lesson also it's an EVS chapter. So we can meet in the next class. Bye.